Good day. Welcome to Endurance Room. Hope everyone's doing well. Today, we're taking a look at the Exotac xREEL for Better Bushcraft. My friend Stuart sent one along about a month ago, and I've been carrying it around in my pack, and I just got to use it the other day. I had a blast with it. I landed like 4 trout in about a half hour. I ended up throwing one back in. He was a little small, but it was awesome. I had a blast with this, and it was pretty easy to do. It took a little playing around to figure out the casting. I finally settled on just an underhand lob with both my lure and the float in one hand. I had the lure set about 4 feet below water level. You can slide this float on the line to adjust the height there, but it worked out great. It reeled back in nice and smooth. It was easy enough to tell when something was hitting the lure. And I had this in my left hand, the line in my right hand, just kind of guiding it onto the spool. I was reeling it back in. And whenever I saw the float move, I just kind of gave a little tug with my right hand to set the hook. And then I was able to reel my fish back in. No problems, no worries. Really nice, beautiful piece of kit. Handcrafted here in the US. It's machined out of aluminum. It's got a rubber loop for your fingers to go through. The lid is removable. It comes with 2 floats, 4 or 5 hooks, a handful of sinkers, enough to get you going. But personally, I really like these little gummy worms. They work great for me for everything from bass to bluegill to trout, even some walleye. Around the outside here, you'll see these holes, and you can use that to store your hooks. So you don't have to retie your line. You can just stash it like this, and it's ready to go whenever you need it. It comes in a variety of colors. Personally, I prefer the orange because it's high vis. If you set this down, you're gonna see it. You can see it in your pack. Great little piece of kit. There's definitely other ways to go about using a hand line, but you know, I've whittled them up in the past. I've used bottles, just wrapping line around it, you know, tied off the sticks, whatever. It's, you know, pretty easy to rig up something to go fishing with. But if you want a nice solid piece of kit that fits in your pack, this is awesome. So if you want to check one out, I have a link for you down below. Let me know if you're using one. We'll see you soon. Cheers, everybody.